Uh, it's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adinda Anastasia, student ID number K772001. The purpose of the presentation is to convey a lesson plan in basic accounting subject. First, I will explain to you about the name of school. My name school Royal Vocational High School, subject basic accounting, grade 10 grade, academic years 2022 or 2023. Subject matter trial balance and adjust and trace. Subject teacher Adinda Anastasia. Class contact time 2 times 2 hours of lesson. In one lesson, hours is 45 minutes. The first objective, first of all, I will explain the objective of learning outcome. The learning will be able to learning. The learning process of accounting summary stack material at the service company by using discovery learning model. Students are expected to be able to create trial balance and adjusting journal based of various learning results. Students are also expected to be dark and objective in solving related problem with trial balance and adjusting entries. And the second, subject material, explain topic, reference, device, and material. My topic of taking the trial balance and adjusted entries. The second reference, I took the reference from class 10 accounting textbook for high school, Google, and internet. For device, I use laptop, smartphone, Gmeet, or submitting. The material I use is PowerPoint and spreadsheet. For a purchase model and method, I choose the STEAM approach and I use the discovery model learning. And lastly, I use the simulation learning method, problem formulation, data collection, verification, generalization, and evidence and assessment. I took the evidence of learning from the collection of student assessment. For assessment, I make 2 assessments, cognitive and affective. For learning activity, in the first meeting, I will explain about the 10-minute early. I did the preliminary activity, namely routine activity, a perception, motivation, referral, and routine activity. Uh, the teacher open by greeting, giving thanks to God Almighty, and praying to the start the lesson, and checking student from discipline. A perception, the teacher provide information about learning objective, learning step, and assessment, and provide a perception by asking students to remember the previous material. And after remembering the teacher linking the learning material to be done with the previous material. In motivation, the teacher provide an overview of benefit of studying in the material to be studied in everyday life and delivery learning objective. For uh, referral, the teacher provide learning material that will be discussion for the meeting at the time. About the grade to be assessed in the subject and explain two mechanisms of implementing the learning experience in accordance with learning activity. The second part, core activity, consists of different basic equation, identification of problem, data collection, and verification, and conclusion. Define basic equation. The first, the teacher determine basic questions such asking student about the meaning and use of trial balance and ask student to name the stake before the trial balance. The second, identification of problem. Student identify and analyze the problem they face or formulate in the form of question and write down the result of their identification in the minute. A student and teacher or discussion with friend identification as much as possible. For data collection, 20 minutes, the teacher and student collect as much relevant information as possible regarding the preparation of trial balance. Student collect as much information as possible to analyze a problem, the arts, and preparing the trial balance. For verification, 10 minutes, student prepare trial balance according to the information obtained and student present the conclusion from the identification of problem and the composition of the trial balance that has been prepared. And conclusion, uh, 10 minutes. First, the student make conclusion on the result of the discussion, use the presentation application, and the teacher asks student to collect the trial balance composition. In closing activity, give operation for the assessment received by student, teacher, and student conclude lesson related the composition of the trial balance that has been completed. The teacher and student and the learning activity with praying and greeting. And the second meeting, I will explain about 10 minutes before I did primary activity as in the first meeting, namely routine activity, perception, motivation, and referral activity. For routine activity, opening with greeting, giving thanks to God, and praying to start learning. Checking the attendance of students from discipline. For a perception, the teacher provide information about learning objective, learning step, and assessment, and provide a perception by asking students to remember the provised material. And after remembering the teacher linking the learning material to be done with the previous material. Motivation, provide an overview of benefit of studying the material to be studied in everyday life, and delivery learn objective. For referral, provide learning material that will be discussion for meeting and the time, confirm but the value the must assess in the subject, explain the mechanism of implementing the learning experience in accordance with the learning activity. The second core activity consists of defining stimulus, problem identification, data collection, data processing, verification, and conclusions. What makes the difference between meeting 1 and 2 in my core data processing, which is as follows. In stimulus, 10 minutes, student listen the teacher explain that relate to summary stack materials to in one meeting include adjustment, close, equipment, depreciation, payroll, and accounting receivable income. Adjusting paragraph, expand paid upfront, revenue received in advance. Identification of problem, 20 minutes. Students are direct to formula question relate to participant observation, learn about adjusting journal entry. And the teacher quiz student in understand adjusting journal entry. Data collection, 5 minutes. Students are looking for information related to how to prepare adjusting journal entries to give model. Processing data, 50 minutes. Students try to work on the problem given by using the information that has been obtained previously. Verification, 10 minutes. The teacher and student discuss the problem given, and students are given the opportunity to ask questions that have not been understood. Conclusion, 10 minutes. The teacher could student to conclude the material has been studied, and the teacher asked student to collect the adjust journal entries composition. For the closing activity, I still use the same of the previous meeting, namely the teacher and student conclude lesson relate and composition, the adjust entry that's been complete, and the teacher and learning activity with praying and greeting. Six, assessment of learning outcome. Assessment technique out attack. The assessment, the first effective observing rating. Observational assessment is carried out the by teacher directly observing the attitude and behavior student during the learning process and general. The example of attitude assessment instrument are followed. For example, like this. Number one, student name Sian Pratama, assess behavioral aspect is the 80, as 85, SG 75, total value 240, and attitude value 80, value code B. With the following information and note information, JC discipline, RS responsible, SG self-confident. Note behavior as criteria and value code. Act 5.
Okay, Dinda, excuse me. I think it's enough. Your time is up. Okay. I think it's good. It's enough. Okay. Dinda, can I ask you what model do you use? Model apa yang digunakan Dinda? Saya tadi mungkin kelupaan atau
Discovery
terlewat.
learning.
Discovery learning. Okay, thank you. Okay. Thank you very much, Dinda. It's enough. Now we go to the next presenter. We go to Afifa. Dinda, you can close your screen. Okay, thank you. Afifa, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, time is yours.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alfa Terpiastari. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is lesson plan. So my lesson plan which has been prepared is based on Merdeka curriculum format. So the first part is general information. So there are five parts of this section. Sorry. So the first is model identity. The name is Afifa Tripilastari because this lesson plan is arranged by me.
Okay,
School
Afifa,
is-
sorry, Afifa.
Yeah.
Can you make the screen larger, the appearance of the screen larger?
Oh, okay.
150.
Okay, is it enough, ma'am?
No, 140.
40, is it enough?
Yes, it's
Okay.
enough. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I will continue, ma'am. So for the school is Septamuli Vocational High School. For the year of preparations is 2022. The subject is basic accounting. For the class is for 10 grad students. Expertise program is accounting and institutional finance. And time allocations is 3 times 45 minutes. Number of meetings is 1 meeting. And the element is arranged adjusting journal entries. And for this subject matter, is identify adjusting journal entries and understand the main types of adjusting journal entries. And for the second part is initial competence. The competence or initial competence required in studying this model is that student can identify and analyze transactions documents and recording them into basic accounting equations. And for the third is Pancasila student profile. Students will develop critical thinking, independent, and creative skills. And then facilities, for facilities, there are books, ebooks, and internet for the learning resources. And then for infrastructure, there is WhatsApp groups to share the information to the students, and then Google Classroom to, platform where the students can submit the assignments, and then PowerPoint that can help me to deliver the material, and then handphone, laptop, LCD, and whiteboard. And then for the learning strategies, their learning approach is scientific. And then for the discovery learning for the learning models. And then for the learning method, they are lecture, discussions, questions and answers, and assignments. And then for the second section is core competence. The first part is learning outcomes. At the end of phase E is like the 10th grade students. Students are able to identify adjusting journal, understand the main types of adjusting journal entries, and arrange adjusting journal entries. And then for the learning objective, through a scientific approach using discovery learning models, students are able to arrange adjusting journal entries properly, creative, and independent. And then for the core questions that will be asked to students are what is adjusting journal entries, what accounts that are need to adjust, and how to arrange adjusting journal entries. And then for the type of assessment that will be used in this model is cognitive assessment. And then we are move on to learning activities. There are steps, descriptions, methods, and time allocations. For the first step is warm up. So in these steps, I will use anticipation guide strategies, which the teacher provides a stimulus by giving students a perceptions. The teacher will be asking students to think about what they already knew about adjusting journal entries. And for the method of these steps is lecture, and the time allocations is 5 minutes. And then for the next steps is introductions. There are two strategies that I use. The first is descriptions. The teacher explains about the new information in PowerPoint. The information consists of definitions of adjusting journal entries and the main types of adjusting journal entries itself. And then the second strategy is artifact strategy. Students are divided into teams and are given time of discussions. For the method of these steps is lecture, and it will take about 50 minutes for these steps. And then for the next steps is practice. So we can break this area down into the following fields based on learning models that I use, which is discovery learning. So the first part is observing. Students observe the material presented by the teacher as material to solve problems that will be appointed. The second is asking. Students make problem identifications in the questions about the material. After that, the teacher conducts students to understand adjusting journal entries. And the next part is explorations. The teacher gives instructions for students to explore the learning materials that can be obtained through references such as reading books or internet or other relevant sources. And the next part is associations. The teacher asks students to answer the discussions assignment in teams. And after that, students arrange adjusting journal entries. And the next is verifications. The teacher and students will discuss together about the problem that are given by teachers, of course, and then students are given the occasions to ask unknown things. And the last part of these steps is communications. Students present the result from the analysis of answers that have been done to the entire class. And after that, the teacher conducts students to give a conclusions about learning materials. And for these steps, practice steps, there are 3 methods that can be used, such as discussions, questions and answer, and assignments. And it can take about 105 minutes. And the last steps is closure. There are 2 strategies that are used for these steps. The first is minute paper. So the teacher will instruct students to briefly write answer to the questions, like what did you learn today and what questions do you have? Do you still have? And for the second is learning log. Students write responses to teacher questions, as summaries of what they have learned or what they do not understand. And for the method is lecture, and for the time allocation is 10 minutes. So this is the signature part, so the approved by principal of relevant schools and accounting teachers. Okay, so we'll move on to appendix itself is summary of the topic or learning materials. The first is definitions of adjusting journal entries. Adjusting journal entries are entries in a financial.
Afifa,
Yes?
sorry, you don't need to read the appendix, the learning materials. Okay, I think it's enough.
Okay, thank you. That's all I
Okay.
have. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good presentation, Afifa. Now we go to the next one, the next student to present. Afni Fena, are you here, Afni? Afni.
Yes.
Okay, Afni. Okay,
Yeah.
Afni, it's your turn. The time is yours.
Oke. Sudah terlihat apa belum? Oke. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afni Fena Mesela, NIMCAT 77-2003. Here I will present the results of the lesson plan that I designed. Learning Implementation Plan, RPP, School SMK Jagat Raya. Subjects, Basic Accounting, for class 10, semester 2, year 2022 or 2023. Skill competency, accounting and institutional finance. Basic competence, analyzing forecast to prepare financial statement and prepare financial reports. Main subjects, worksheet, time allocation, to 45 minutes or 90 minutes. Learning objectives, third online learning activities with cooperative learning models and a learning model by WA group and Zoom or Google Meet. Student can identify the steps for compiling a worksheet diligently and truthfully. Learning media, basic accounting textbooks for class X Erlangga, Zoom or Google Meet and WA groups. Evaluation, attitude, observation during learning and activities, activeness of students in discussion forums, knowledge, assignment through student discussion forums, skills, the ability of students to provide feedback in discussion forums. summary of learning material. A worksheet is a tool for financial professional to track important information in process of preparing financial statements. A worksheet details the various stages of the accounting cycle, although a worksheet is closely related to a company's financial statement. It is not an official financial statement. The worksheet is only a short source for making the financial statements themselves. The main purpose of the existence of a worksheet is to help accountants make it easier to balance between income and expense owned by the company. The
Okay,
worksheet,
Afni,
yes,
you don't need to read the material. You only need to
okay,
explain the body of the lesson plan.
okay,
Only the
ma'am.
body of the lesson plan, okay? Yes.
Learning activities. Preliminary. Pray. The teacher that starts the prayer by sending a message to the WA group with method learning and lecture, media and tools WA group, study time 3 minutes. Presents, the teacher checks the attendance of students through the WA group with method e-learning and lecture, media and tools WA group with study time 4 minutes. Core activities. Delivering goals and motivating students. The teacher explains the learning objective during the learning process and conveys the motivation to the student. With method learning, cooperative learning, and lecture with WA group and with 3 minutes. Presenting information. The teachers provide subject matter through the group's WA platform in the hope that it has been read and understood. The teacher does face-to-face with Zoom to explain the material. With method lecture and learning, cooperative learning, and with WA group, basic accounting textbook for class X, and Zoom with 30 minutes. Organizing students into study groups. The teacher divides students into groups to work on worksheet through a big room in Zoom with method learning, cooperative learning, and discussion. With time 25 minutes. Reading group work and study. The teachers cast around or takes turn entering the Zoom break room to guide and help students who are in trouble. With method e-learning, cooperative learning, discussion with time 10 minutes. Evaluation. The teachers close the Zoom break room and enter the main room to correct the worksheet and swear together. Giving awards. The teachers gives an award in the form of additional value or money for the group that gets a high score with a learning cooperative learning and with Zoom with time 5 minutes. Closing conclusion. The teachers and students mention the conclusions from the result of the worksheet. With method e-learning and Zoom with time 3 minutes. And closing, the teachers close the lesson with greetings. With method e-learning, Zoom, and with time 2 minutes. Evaluation. 1. Attitude. Number 1, students actively answer in the WA group. 2, the students follow the learning procedure. 3, students follow the live Zoom. 4, students are able to answer the worksheet correctly. 5, students actively provide response in the form of questions and answer rebuttals, critics, M. Suggestion. Assessment criteria: 1 is not good, 2 less, 3 enough, 4 fine, 5 very good. Calculation of assessment: total value kali 4.
Multiply.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Knowledge. Students work on the question in the following link with link this. And number 3, skills. When students are able to work on worksheet, two students are able to present the results of their worksheet. 3 students are able to answer questions posed by their friends. Assessment criteria: 1 not good, 2 less, 3 enough, 4 fine, 5 very good. Calculation of assessment: total value
Divide.
divide 3
Multiply.
multiply 20.
Okay, that's enough, Afni.
Yes.
The time is up. Can I see the down part? Oh, okay. Okay then. Okay, we go to the next student to present, Alicia. Alicia, you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Alicia, it's your turn now. You can share the screen and the time is yours.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, mom and friends. My name is Alicia Cesaria Sfairulisa. I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I will present my lesson plan about expertise, practicum accounting of service company, trade company, and manufacturer company. I choose the financial statement for my subject, this my lesson plan. First, there is the identity of the school. The school name is Nusa Bangsa High School. Subject my lesson plan is financial statement and expertise in practicum accounting of service company, trade company, and manufacturer company. This lesson plan is for classes 11, semester 2, and school year 2022. And have time allocation for time 45 minutes for 2 meetings. Okay, next, this point A, basic competencies and indicator of competencies achievement. And 1, basic competencies in number 3, analyze account for preparation of income report, change its equity report, balance sheet report, and of the trade company. And this indicator of company competency achievement. And 1, describe the types of financial statement of trade company. 2, describe the step for preparing an income statement trade company. 3, describe the steps preparation of change in equity report of trade company. And 4, describe the steps preparation of a report on the financial position or balance sheet of the trade company. And basic competencies number 4 is prepare an income report, change its capital report, balance sheet report, trade company. Indicator of competency achievement. Number 1 is preparing an income report trade company. Number 2, preparing and change in equity report the trade company. And 3, preparing a financial position report or balance sheet of the trade company. And next, this point B is learning objective. After participation learning with models cooperative learning and problem-based learning, student can 1, explain and understand the meaning of financial statement appropriately. 2, explain the types of financial statement of the company correctly. 3. Prepare an income report third company with precisely correctly. And 4. Prepare and check in equity report correctly. And 5. Prepare and balance sheet report correctly. Next, this point C is learning materials. Learning material for one is number 1, this type of financial statement. 2. Steps for preparing the income report of third company. 3. Step for preparing a report on change in equity of third company. And 4. Steps for preparing a financial position report or balance sheet of third company. Then this point D is learning method. For the media, sorry ma'am. This point D is learning methods. I use is approach scientific and models cooperative learning and problem-based learning. Then methods delivery, discussion, question and answer, and assessment. And this point A is learning media or tools and materials. Tools and material I use with whiteboards, laptops, LCD projectors, stationery, and modules. And media is I use PowerPoint, whiteboard, learning worksheet, and module. Next, the point F, material reference. Student can use the studio references is 1, Sumantri 2004. The title book is Memahami Siklus Akuntansi Perusahaan Jasa dan Dagang. 2. Kementerian Pendidikan, Kebudayaan, Riset dan Teknologi 2016. The title book is Modul Paket Keahlian Akuntansi Menengah Kejuruan Pelaporan Keuangan Perusahaan Dagang and the Internet. Next, this point J is the table learning activities. I have two two meetings, and first meeting opening activities. The description of activities is 1, opening the class by greeting student. 2, the teacher pay attention to student readiness to participation in learning activities. 3, the teacher giving student direction to pray before learning begins. 4, the teacher checking the student presence. And 5, the teacher explain the learning objective, the benefits of the material, and the outline of the subject matter. These opening activities have time allocation 10 minutes. And then core activities. Phase 1 is present information. The teacher explains the financial statement material and its types by slide PowerPoint. Students observe and pay attention to the explanation of the teacher. 2, the teacher asks the students again about the elements needed for the preparation of the report on the financial position of the third company to test student understanding after being explained. This phase is discussion. And number 3, the teacher give feedback on the student answer and provide reinforcement by displaying example of financial statement of that company. And 4, the teacher gives opportunity for the student to ask questions about material that it's not yet understand. And 5, the teacher guides the student to dig up additional information regarding the financial statement of the third company from several sources such as modules and internet. And 6, the teacher guides the student to discuss additional information that has been obtained by the student and provides conclusion related to the material being discussed. These course activities have time allocation 17 minutes. And next, past closing activities. Description activities. 1, teachers provide reinforcement in the form conclusion from the result of discussion and learning activities that have been carried out. 2. The teacher ends the learning activity by giving a message and impression of learning, praying, and closing the quiz. This space is have a time allocation 10 minutes. Okay, this is table learning activities for second meeting. The
Okay,
best,
Alicia.
yes, ma'am?
Alicia, do you have the same phases or steps in the second meeting as in the first meeting? Anda
Yes,
punya,
ma'am.
yeah, the same step.
Yes, it was almost the same as the first meet.
Yes.
Nah, only
Are there
different
any-
the activities learning, ma'am.
Are there any differences?
For the second meeting, I have a practice and learning teams.
Okay, okay. You can explain on that way on that subject.
Yes, ma'am. For core activities for second meeting is 1. Organize students into learning teams. Students are asked to create groups of the 3 or 5 people, then analyze an example of recording the financial statement of a company given by the teacher. And 2, each group will give a mini project task to the test knowledge and skill after the teacher explains. 3, provide recognition. Each group work on tasks on worksheet that are already provided to teachers. And 4, each group present the result of the discussion on the case of preparing financial statement. 5, the teacher provides opportunity for other groups to respond to the presenting group. And 6, the teacher provides response and conclusion on the discussion between groups and give appreciation to the groups that participate in learning activities. This is a PACE evaluation, provide reinforcement, and give appreciation. And have time allocation is 17 minutes. Next, in the closing learning activities is the same for first meeting, ma'am. And this last point, assessment of learning outcomes. In 1, attitude assessment. Assessment technique, observation, form of assessment is observation, and assessment instrument and form observation. And 2, knowledge assessment. Assessment technique with written test, and 2, form assessment, essay test, and assessment instrument use question sheet. Number 3 is skill assessment. Assessment technique use process or performance projects. Form assessment is prepared financial statement of trade companies, and for assessment instrument use project on work result. I think enough for my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Alicia. Good presentation. Okay, next presenter is Kameli Alfius. Kameli, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can share screen and the time is yours, Kameli.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Ms. Elvia, for giving me this time. I will present my lesson plan for Vocational High School of Dirgantara. Our subject is Financial Accounting, and subject matter is Petty Cash.
Sorry, Kameli, sorry to interrupt. You can make the appearance larger, 140%, please.
Okay.
Yes, it's enough. Thank you.
Yes, Miss. I will continue. Lesson plan. This is for 11 accounting A, and allocation time is 2 times 45. This is for 2 meeting. The first is learning objective. With the discovery learning model in the learning process of financial accounting, students expected able understand practices, meaning and function, and students explain method practices, record and their difference, and then students can identify practices transaction based on method practices registered by accountable, thorough, honest, and responsible. Next is sequencing of learning. In the first step is warm up. Teacher start class with pray and check presence of student. Next, teacher asks news to student, and then teacher give motivation learning and its importance study to student. The second step is introduction. Teacher explain learning objective and competencies that must be achieved. Teacher deliver related learning method used in practice learning like discussion group, presentation, and question and answer. Next, teacher delivering topic is practice. The teacher explain about component and technique for assessment. In the next step is practice. For the learning model, use a discovery learning, and learning method, use a lecture, discussion, question and answer, and presentation. In discovery learning, there is a syntax for learning activity. First, give a stimulation. Student read practice material. Teacher give a question about practice, and then student could submit question. For the simulation learning method is lecture, question and answer. For media and tools, YouTube, a book, and for equipment, LCD projector, laptop, and handphone. With time 20 minutes. In the second step is problem statement. Teacher give a studies case related to practice. Students shaping group of 2 people or pair work. Student could identify practice and student could differentiate method practice record. For method is discussion and media is worksheet, textbook, and internet. And time 20 minutes. The next step is collection and processing. Student shaping group of 2 people or by work. Student by careful could sort and collect example case of petty case, and then student to the petty case journaling based on specific method. This method use a discussion and media, textbook, internet, and time is 20 minutes. Next is verification. Student gather result work. Student present result in front of class. With method is question and answer. For equipment is LCD projector, laptop, and whiteboard. For time is 20 minutes. And the last step is generalization. Student request interesting conclusion on studied material, and teacher give evaluation and assess result profession student. Method use a lecturer. For media is worksheet and equipment LCD projector, laptop, whiteboard. And time is 10 minutes. For reference, we use financial accounting for Institute of Accounting and Financial Skill Competition for a vocational high school by Erlangga, and Practice Fund Management Module by Erlangga and others. And then for closure, teacher give the opportunity to student for ask written about what have not understood. And then teacher give evaluation learning. And teacher inform material learning will study it for next meeting.
and then teacher and class with pride and give regards. For assessment, there are three of assessment used. And number one, evaluation attitude is after observation during class in progress. And number two, evaluation knowledge, assessment and post-test. And then evaluation skill is presentation and record journal of petty case. This is summary of petty case material. So that I can present my lesson plan. Thank you for your attention and sorry if there are any mistake. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good, Kameli. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, go to the next presenter, Gian Sakti. Gian, are you ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, it is now your turn, and the time is yours.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Gian Sakti Ekadito, accounting education student 2020, and the class of A. Let me start. This learning implementation plan, or LIP. The first is the school is the SMKN 1 Selalu. The subject is tech administration. Class and semester is the 11th and 8th semester. The subject material is fundamentals of taxation. The time allocation is 2 hours of the lesson. The 1 hour is the 1020 minutes for the 2 hours. The point A is the learning objective. Show the learning process, basic of the taxation by using the inquiry method. Students are expected to have knowledge and be able to explain the basic of taxation independently and responsibly. And the point B is the learning activities. The learning activities, we have the 2 myths of this topic of the meeting or the topic and the materials. And the stage, the first is the introduction. It's the prepare student and motivation, a perception, confirm the objective, and explain the outline of activities. And the core activities, because this LIP adapt by the inquiry model, we have the stimulus, next the problem identification, data collection, data processing, verification and evidence, and the last is drawing conclusion. We have the inquiry model, same with in this, the myth and the 2 myths. Okay, the first myth, we have the topic is the scope of text. The allocation is, the time is the 2 lesson hour, and the second myth, we have the role and the function of the text. Same with this 2 lesson hour. And the closing, we have a drawing the conclusion, reflection and a feedback, discussion tasks, explaining plan from the next meeting. Media or tools, material, learning research, the activity set, the fundamental of the taxation, and material YouTube videos. Same with this second myth. We have the fundamental of the taxation, material YouTube videos. The point C is learning outcome assessment. The first is the attitude assessment. We have the observation and the results are recorded in the attitude note. And the second point, acknowledge the assessment, test rating and assignment. And the third skill assessment, the student perform. The students perform about the student work with a team and a teacher guided the students. Okay, and then so now let's move on to the step to learn the distance learning strategy in the network, because this adapt from In Indonesia, we have called it PJJ, or Learn Distance Learning Strategy. The appendix LIP 1.1 is an understanding the basic taxation. The topic is the scope of the text. Learning step with first is inquiry model. And activities, the first is introduction. Introduction, we have held the prepare the student and motivate a perception, convey objective, and explain in the outline of the activities. We have the allocation in a 5 minutes, and this media, we have a Google Meet with a classical and lecture and YouTube video. And the core activities, the observing and the stimulus. The first, students are directed to be observed the stimulus from video about the text scope, the video taken from the YouTube videos. And then identifying the problem. Students are directed to formulate question and receive the question related to the result of observation and learning objectives about the text scope and the classically. We have the time, the allocation is the 10 minutes, and overall of the time you have to 25 minutes. Okay, sorry, 30 minutes, sorry. And then we have the collecting data. The collecting data, the student carry out about the information or data collection related to the scope of the text material independently or in group under the guidance of the teachers. We have the allocation, the time allocation is the 20 minutes. And also we have the media with Google Meet looking for information guided the YouTube video. Next, processing data. Students conduct discussion to process information or data related to the scope of the text material in their group with the guidance of the teacher. The allocation time, same, 20 minutes, and discuss in the group with Google Meet in a group. Next step, we have verify. In groups, students verify the result of data processing on the scope of the text material to the teacher. And then concluding, the teacher directs all students to draw the conclusions. We have them with media and Google Meet with the teacher. Confirm each student with a practice question so they can check the knowledge of each student. And the closing is drawing conclusion. It's about reflection or feedback from the teacher, our discussion assignment, or explaining plans for the next meeting. Okay, this is the first mate. I have the two mate in the appendix LIP 1.2, same phases and steps, the differences about the topic. And this LIP 1.1, we have the topic is understanding the basic taxation is our scope of taxation. In this, the second myth, the differences is about the topic. The topic is understanding the basic taxation in role and function of the text.
Okay, the phase is the same, but the difference is on the topic.
Yeah.
Okay, Kian, okay.
Okay, thanks. Okay, guys. In conclusion, let me sum up the main point.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for this opportunity and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you very much, Kian. Good presentation. And now we go to Hanif Setiawan. Hanif, are you here? Hanif. No, Hanif. Oh, Hanif is not here. It seems Hanif has a problem, right? I asked some lecturers and they said that Hanif never attend their classes also. I feel so sorry for Hanif, and Ya, saya sedih sekali ya. Hanif adalah salah satu anak PA saya, jadi saya sedih sekali. Dan dia tidak membalas WA, tidak mengangkat telepon saya. Ya, kita doakan mudah-mudahan Hanif bisa menyelesaikan persoalannya dan bisa meneruskan kuliahnya. Karena sayang sudah membayar ya. Mungkin salah satu dari Anda, Aan ada ini Aan? Anugerah ada? Aan yang dekat ya, saya dengar Aan dekat dengan Hanif. Aan mungkin bisa menyarankan kalau memang Hanif mempunyai problem, masalah yang harus diselesaikan yang tidak bisa, yang membuatnya tidak bisa kuliah, mungkin bisa disarankan untuk cuti dulu Aan. Jadi semester ini tidak dihitung. Kasihan kalau nanti dia masih menginginkan untuk lanjut, kemudian semester ini dia tidak bisa tidak bisa mengikuti, kan sayang sekali. Gitu ya Aan, tolong disampaikan.
Baik, Bu. Nanti akan saya
Iya.
sampaikan.
Oke, terima kasih, terima kasih. Dan juga disampaikan kalau misalnya dia merasa marah atau bagaimana dengan saya atau dosen-dosen yang lain, itu bisa diselesaikan baik-baik, silahkan. Saya sangat welcome, sangat terbuka dan no hard feeling at all ya ketika saya memberikan nilai, ketika saya memberikan penilaian saya kepada Anda itu no hard feeling at all. Tidak ada rasa dendam sama sekali, tidak ada rasa ingin menjatuhkan, tidak. Jadi kalau ada masalah tolong sekali diselesaikan. Tolong ya Aan, disampaikan ya.
Baik, Bu.
Oke, terima kasih sekali. Baik, karena Hanif tidak hadir, maka the last but not least, Himatul Ulya. Hima?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready, Hima?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, the time is yours, Hima.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to say thank you for opportunity to presentation today. It's good to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Himatul Ulya, study number K772004. In this opportunity, I would like to present my lesson planner. My lesson planner, which has prepared based on Merdeka curriculum format. Bagian A, General Information, A1, Identity, author name Himatul Ulya Dinova, school name Merdeka Vocational High School, year 2022, subject Basic Accounting, class 10 and semester 1. Subject matter, definition, objective, role of accounting, and the users of accounting information. Time allocation, 2 times 45 minutes in 1 meeting. A2, early competency. The early ability skill required to study subject are students already have basic abilities about economic, mathematics, and English. A3, pelajar Pancasila profile, student will develop critical thinking, independent, and creative. A4, learning media. Point 1, media is PowerPoint. Point 2, tools and material, laptop, LCD, board marker, whiteboard, student worksheets, book. Learning resource, yang 1 is Harti, 2080, akuntansi dasar penerbit Erlangga, point 2 electronic or internet. A5 target, this teaching tool can be used by teachers to teach in class 10 accounting and finance skill program for regular or typical student in Merdeka Vocational High School. Material availability, alternative explanation, method or activities for difficult student understand the concept is yes. A7, learning method. Learning approach is scientific. Learning model, discovery learning. Learning method, discussion, question, and answer. Point B, core components. B1, learning objective. In phase A or 10th grade, the formulation of learning outcomes for each learning element is as follows. Element basic accounting, learning outcomes is at the end of phase A, students are able to understand the definition accounting, objective, role of accounting, and the user of accounting information. For learning objective to achieve, through a scientific approach using discovery learning model with discussion, question and answer method, connection between material and relation, student can A, explain the meaning of accounting, B, explain the purpose of accounting, C, describe the role of accounting, D, mention the users of accounting information. B2, meaningful understanding about 1, definition of accounting, 2, purpose of accounting, 3, role of accounting, 4, users of accounting information. B3, break the question. Try looking in the book about accounting and like what does it means and what are the concept point to state the purpose of accounting. Before study preparation, number 1, theory basic accounting, learning strategies, assignment, looking for definition of accounting, place, class, device, stationery, sheet work, mobile phone, laptops, books or e-books, internet. Time 50 minutes. Assessment, diagnose, measuring the extent to which students understand. Formative, while students are doing the learning process, the teacher randomly asks students to understand the material. Summative, at the end of competency or mid semester or end of semester, conduct test holistically with the aim of determining competent student don't or no completeness. B5, the step of learning. Step 1 is warm up, authentic question. The teacher provides a stimulus by giving student a perception by asking about definition and the purpose of accounting in economic activities they did know. For time allocation is 10 minutes. Step 2 is an introduction. A, description. This activity involves telling about something. When it is done by teacher, description are usually used to introduce new information. But when it done by the student, description are used to demonstrate knowledge of a concept. B, artifact strategy. Students are divided into 6 groups and given time to discuss. Time allocation 15 minutes. Point 3 is practice. A, orientation on problem. Student observe the material present by the teacher as material to solve problem will be appointed. B, organizing for learning. Students are divided into several groups consisting 5 or 6 children. Group 1 and 2 were assigned to conduct a study on the definition of accounting. Group 3 and 4 were assigned to conduct a study on users of accounting information. Group 5 and 6 were assigned to conduct a study on the characteristic of the quality of accounting information. C, guiding investigation. Students look for reference or data or sources for group discussion materials. D, developing and presenting work. Each group must make a report according to the problem being studied. E, analyze and evaluating. Group 4, 5, and 6 perform a presentation, then group 1, 2, and 3 who are presenting could ask, who are not presenting could ask questions, followed by summarizing and concluding. The time allocation is 60 minutes. The last step is concluding. The teacher closed the first week of learning by providing a summary of the meaning of accounting, the purpose of accounting, role of accounting, and users of accounting. After that, the teacher asking to pray that today's lesson will be useful. Time allocation 5 minutes. Basic assessment of learning process and outcomes, social attitude, technique of observation, instrument observation sheet. Knowledge, technique question, instrumennya email, and 3, skill, tekniknya discussion group, and instrument paper. I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Hima. Thank you for all of you who had presented your lesson plan today. I'm very glad, and you also your hard work. Ya, terima kasih sekali. Saya sangat senang Anda sudah menunjukkan kerja keras. Terima kasih. And do not forget to send your file, your lesson plan file to my email. For who those had presented today, ya. Untuk yang sudah mempresentasikan hari ini, silakan mengirimkan file RPP-nya, ya. Okay, thank you all. This is the end of our class today. Are there any question? No? Okay, inshallah we will meet again next week to continue your presentation for explanation of your lesson plan. Oke, terima kasih semuanya. Kita bertemu insyaallah minggu depan untuk melanjutkan presentasi dari lesson plan Anda. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all.
Thank you, Mom.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you all.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.